introduce the band to you one more time. Playing the electric keyboards is Eric Lane. Playing the electrified guitar, it's Logan Hanna. Playing the drums is Paul Taylor. Playing the electrified cello bass from Jackson, Mississippi, the legendary Andrew Scrap Livingston. Columbus, thanks for coming out tonight. This could be our last song. Let's play Busting Up a Starbucks. You will always be